नो नेशन कैन प्रोग्रेस बाय कीपिंग विमेन अंडरडेवलप्ड। पंडित श्रीराम शर्मा आचार्य। नारी को अविकसित रखकर कोई भी राष्ट्र उन्नति नहीं कर सकता। अ विमेन इज द एपिटोमी ऑफ डेडिकेशन एंड सैक्रिफाइस। सरेंडर इज नॉट हर वीकनेस बट हर डिग्निटी। पंडित श्रीराम शर्मा आचार्य। नारी समर्पण और त्याग की प्रतिमा है। समर्पण उसकी दुर्बलता नहीं, गरिमा है। बुक टाइटल नारी जागरण, अवेकनिंग ऑफ विमेन। द पोजीशन ऑफ विमेन इन सोसाइटी टुडे। We are seeing several discourses on women empowerment or awakening growing in the past few decades. Being a visionary, Pandit Sharma also identified this flaw in the society and had written intensively on the topic. Why has gender inequality seeped in? Gender inequality crept in because attitudes that have been centuries in the making and are pervasive at the micro level in the home, the role of men and women. The challenge is, how do we unlearn this? How do we unlearn? These attitudes then influence all aspects of life outside, in education, access to work, government services, and cultural behaviors. This book aims to address this situation through one-liners that are both polite, that gives the real meaning of equality, and critical of the prevalent societal practice, and clears the doubt of where exactly the problem is without blaming anyone. What is this book all about? This book is a collection of short and sweet quotations. Still, it makes a big difference with its hidden messages, taken from the writings of Pandit Shriram Sharma Acharya, who wrote 3,200 thought-provoking and life-transforming books. Who is the author? The saint, scholar, philosopher Pandit Shriram Sharma Acharya undoubtedly belongs to a small rare group of divine souls who have contributed their lives for the upliftment of society. He was a great visionary and reformer. Those familiar with his work and writings know very well how compassionate he was towards the women and her condition in society. What revolutions does this book speak about? The other 7 revolutions in his Thought Revolution mission, Awakening of Women, Nari Jagran Abhiyan, was on topmost priority. He urged each woman to move away from a filthy environment and make progress and contribute to the betterment of society. Women are an integral part of any society who have to have equal status in every field and must have an equally respectful position in society. Translation of few quotations. First, God has created man and women equal, like 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes, 2 lungs and 2 kidneys. नर और नारी परमेश्वर के 2 हाथ, 2 पैर, 2 नेत्र, 2 फेफड़े और 2 गुर्दे हैं। न इसमें कोई छोटा है और न कोई बड़ा। Second, women are epitome of wisdom. Those who know her value and give her the right direction become contented. नारी समाज की एक बहुमूल्य हीरा है। जो उसका मूल्य जानते हैं और उसे उपयुक्त दिशा में नियोजित कर देते हैं, वे निहाल हो जाते हैं। Third, ignoring women's education is injustice as it makes her mentally crippled. नारी शिक्षा की उपेक्षा करना उसे मानसिक दृष्टि से अपंग बना देने जैसा अन्याय है। Fourth, the family full of love and cooperation is the heaven on this earth. प्यार और सहकार से भरा पूरा परिवार ही इस धरती का स्वर्ग होता है। Fifth, the labor, effort and money invested in developing women's potential pays off innumerable times. नारी की क्षमता विकसित करने में लगाया गया श्रम, मनोयोग एवं धन असंख्यों गुना होकर लौटता है। Sixth, the householder's life is like a sacred place where one has to worship or practice restraint, सर्विस, सैक्रिफाइस एंड टॉलरेंस। गृहस्थ एक तपोवन है जिसमें संयम, सेवा, त्याग और सहिष्णुता की उपासना करनी होती है। सेवेंथ, कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ विमेन मीन्स टू ड्रॉप योर ओरिजिनेटिंग पावर। नारी की अवमानना का अर्थ है अपनी उद्यम शक्ति को गिराना। एट्थ, Family is not just an alliance, but a union of two souls who work together towards success as friends. परिवार का अर्थ केवल विवाह बंधन नहीं है, बल्कि एक मित्र की तरह मिलकर काम करने वाले समूह का नाम है. 9th, where there is respect for women, that society is refined or elevated. नारी का सम्मान जहाँ है, संस्कृति का उत्थान वहाँ है. 10th, tolerance, politeness, compassion and courtesy are invaluable treasures of women. सहनशीलता, शिष्टाचार, करुणा एवं सौजन्य नारी की अमूल्य निधियां हैं.